Namaste dear students, I am Professor Manjunath S. from Civil Engineering Department, JSAT College, Karwar. In this semester, I will teach analysis of indeterminate structures subject. In previous semester, you already studied analysis of determinate structure. But in this semester you are going to study analysis of indeterminate structures. You already know, I hope, what is determinate and what is indeterminate structures. But one time you can recall, determinate structures means if possible that any particular structure analysis by using three equilibrium equation, then that type structure we called determinate structure. But if not possible for analyze any structure by using just three equilibrium equation, that type structure we call indeterminate structures. So let us see the syllabus of this subject. In module first, slope deflection method. Actually, compared to determinate structure, this indeterminate structure is easy compared to determinate, because here 5 methods are there for analyzing indeterminate structure. Those 5 methods are made here on module. Okay, that is the slope deflection method. It is in the module first, and in the module 2 moment distribution method, and in the module 3 Kani's method, and in the module 4 matrix method of analysis, flexibility method. In module 5 matrix method of analysis by stiffness method. So these are the different method for analyzing indeterminate structure. These methods has own procedure or steps. We just follow the steps and analyze the indeterminate structure. And you can refer these following textbooks. Let us begin from module first, slope deflection method. In the slope deflection method, mainly we are using these two equations. Here in your syllabus, this equation derivation is not required. Okay, directly you can take this equation. For example, you can take this beam. This support is, what type support it is? Fixed support. Support A is fixed support, and support B is roller support, and support C is hinged support, and D is, it is open to atmosphere, or it is cantilever. In slope deflection method, this equation is very important for calculating moment. See, here for taking beam AB or span AB, for taking individually for AB and BC and CD, here the slope deflection equation for beam AB, you can see the moment AB is equal to 2EI by L into